drop tailgate on a summer night. Something about a beer sitting on ice, and there's something about a girl in a red sundress with an ice cold beer pressed against her lips, and that farmer's feel can make the boy a mess. Something about a girl in a red sundress, and there's something about a kiss that's gonna leave you more than that drop tailgate back behind the corn. The most natural thing you ever felt before. Something about a kiss that's gonna leave you more. And there's something about a truck in a field and a girl with a red sundress with an ice cold beer to her lips, begging for another kiss. And there's something about you and me and the birds and the bees and Lord have mercy, it's a beautiful thing, ain't nothing about it. Something about a truck, something about a creek around 2 a.m. after the door beers, you wanna dive on in. You don't need